Hello, good day to everyone. Good day mga kaalamat. So today we have a plating here. Our plating of the day, fried rice and breaded pork, tiger prawn. So I will going to show you the top view. So this is it mga kaalamat. So this is our plating of the day. Our tiger prawn breaded tiger prawn. So yan siya, ang ating plating of the day. So, kayang-kaya nyong gayahin mga kalamat sa bahay nyo. You can do it at home. You can serve with your loved ones, with your family, with your kids. So, for the good vibes of your family and friends. So, this is our plating of the day. So, that's all mga kaalamat. Maraming salamat. Sana patuloy kayong tatangkilik dito sa aking channel. At please subscribe, like, and share. Please click the bell button to subscribe so that you will be notified once we have a new uploaded videos. So that's all for today mga kaalamat. Maraming salamat. God bless and see you next time.